Hey there, adrenaline junkies and off-road enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel, your ultimate destination for all things adventurous. We're revving up for an exhilarating ride as we explore the top 14 coolest quad bikes that are sure to leave you speechless. Let's hit the trails. But before we kick up some dirt with these amazing quad bikes, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Which quad bike has you itching for an adventure? Let's dive in and explore the wild together. Gibbs Quadski. The Gibbs Quadski is an amphibious vehicle designed for adventurers who enjoy seamless transitions between land and water. With a robust 140 horsepower and 87 ft-lb of torque generated by its 4-stroke 4-cylinder 1293cc BMW engine, the Quadski ensures a thrilling ride across various terrains, whether rocky terrain or water surfing. With dimensions of 128.3 inches in length and 62.5 inches in width, it stands tall and proud, offering ample space for exploration. Initially priced at around $40,000 for the single-seat model, and close to $50,000 for the Quadski XL, it's considered a high-end offering with advanced technology and distinctive capabilities. Outrider Coyote 4WD. The Outrider Coyote 4WD redefines adventure with its extreme off-road capabilities and all-electric powertrain. Priced starting at $3,985, it's ideal for hunting, fishing, and navigating difficult terrain. With a maximum speed of 17 miles per hour and a basic range of 20 to 35 miles on a single charge, it offers unrivaled freedom to explore the outdoors. The Outrider Coyote 4WD is the world's lightest four-wheel-drive quad, easily transportable without a trailer, fitting into the back of a mid-size SUV. ENGLER SUPERQUAD. The ENGLER SUPERQUAD stands out as a technical masterpiece in the automotive industry, blurring the boundaries between a superbike and a hypercar. Powered by a potent 5.2-liter V10 engine, it delivers an impressive 1,100 horsepower, propelling it to a high speed of 217 miles per hour and achieving 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.5 seconds. With a low and forceful posture, measuring 4,670 mm in length and 950 mm in height, the ENGLER SUPERQUAD combines outstanding performance with striking design. Given its unique features and top-tier specifications, the price of this revolutionary machine is likely to be around $500,000. Kawasaki Brute Force 300. The Kawasaki Brute Force 300 offers a powerful and affordable option for all-terrain enthusiasts. Equipped with a dependable 271 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled 4-stroke engine and an ultra-smooth automated continuously variable transmission, it provides a fun and exciting ride for riders aged 16 and up. With strong and durable front and rear disc brakes, as well as the ability to pull up to 500 pounds, the Brute Force 300 proves itself as both a workhorse and a fun trail performer. Priced at $4,799 including taxes, with additional expenses for destination and commodity search charges, prospective purchasers can expect variations in the final price depending on the dealer and region. Xtrax E-Sport. For youthful thrill seekers, the Xtrax E-Sport quad bike offers an exciting ride powered by a 48-volt neodymium magnet DC motor and a 20-amp-hour lead-acid battery. Priced at $998, it features low-maintenance shaft drive, high torque gear ratio, front and rear hydraulic disc brakes, and fully enclosed safety footwells. With front and rear lights for increased visibility, the Xtrax E-Sport prioritizes safety while providing an exhilarating experience for riders. FunBikes Toxic 800W Kids. The FunBikes Toxic Kids electric mini quad bike offers an exhilarating ride for young explorers, whether they're in the park or exploring the garden. With its electric motor, it ensures a powerful yet silent ride, prioritizing safety with 3 speed settings: 8 km per hour, 15 km per hour, and 20 km per hour. Its larger 6-inch wheels provide greater ground clearance for traversing harder terrains, while high-quality tires offer better traction and durability. 3 shock absorbers distribute weight evenly, enhancing comfort during the ride, and 3 disc brakes improve stopping power and stability. Originally priced at £499, it's now available for £479, offering a £20 discount. Spy Racing E8. The Spy Racing E8 is an environmentally friendly electric quad bike designed for off-road adventures. With its powerful 4000W motor and efficient 72V100Ah lithium battery, it delivers impressive performance, capable of traveling up to 120 km on a single charge. Priced at €5,590 before a €900 ecological bonus discount, it's an excellent choice for those seeking environmentally conscious quad biking experiences. With features prioritizing performance over sustainability, the Spy Racing E8 showcases the brand's commitment to electric vehicles. Additional perks like a free gray card and delivery make it an attractive option for enthusiasts looking for both thrill and eco-friendliness. Yamaha Raptor 350. The Yamaha Raptor 350 is renowned among off-roaders for its dynamic performance and agility. Introduced in 2004, it quickly gained popularity due to its powerful 348 cubic centimeters air-cooled 4-stroke engine and versatility across various terrains. Safety features like the dual hydraulic disc brakes ensure exceptional stopping force. Pricing for the Raptor 350 varies depending on the model year and maintenance level, with newer models fetching as much as $5,595 and older versions available for around $2,059. Wesll Leaning Vehicle. The Wesll Leaning Vehicle stands out for its innovative 4-wheel leaning suspension system, offering the stability of a 2-wheeled motorcycle with the comfort and safety of a quad vehicle. Developed by the Wesll Corporation, this vehicle boasts an impressive lean angle of 55 degrees or more, enhancing its on-road and off-road capabilities. While pricing details are not yet available as the Wesll is still in the prototype stage, indications suggest it could cost upwards of $120,000, reflecting its advanced technology and unique design features. ENVO e-ATV. The ENVO e-ATV is an innovative electric all-terrain vehicle designed to compete with its gasoline counterparts in terms of performance and efficiency. With a maximum power output of 3,000 watts and a top speed of 50 km per hour, along with a towing capability of 350 kg and a payload capacity of 200 kg, it's suitable for various outdoor activities such as eco-tours, farming, and security operations. Priced at $949, it offers a silent, zero-emission ride, making it ideal for environmentally conscious adventurers. Can-Am Renegade 1000R. The Can-Am Renegade 1000R is a legendary off-road vehicle known for its race-proven power and rock-solid dependability. Starting at $15,999, it features a potent Rotax engine producing 91 horsepower, sophisticated handling features, and various models tailored for specific terrains like mud. Whether you're navigating tough trails or conquering treacherous terrain, the Renegade offers unwavering confidence and performance. Lazareth LMV 496. On the other end of the spectrum, the Lazareth LMV 496 represents the pinnacle of innovation, combining the thrill of flying with the exhilaration of motorcycling. This limited edition flying motorcycle features an electric motor with a range of 100 kilometers and the ability to transform into a hover bike in just 60 seconds. Priced at around $495,000, it's among the most expensive vehicles available, reflecting its cutting-edge technology and unmatched capabilities. Quadro 4. The Quadro 4 is not just a scooter but a contemporary interpretation of the classic quadricycle, offering a blend of innovation, sturdy structure, and smooth design. Priced at around $113,000, it's more than just a vehicle, it's an extraordinary experience propelled by a 346 cubic centimeters engine that delivers impressive power and torque. Purchasing a Quadro 4 is not merely a financial transaction but an investment in an adventure that lives up to its impressive appearance. Textron Alterra VLX 700. The Textron Alterra VLX 700 combines power, dependability, and affordability to provide outdoor enthusiasts with a high-quality ATV experience. With an MSRP of $5,999.99, it features a robust 695 cubic centimeters engine capable of handling trail riding and light towing with ease. Its sturdy build and four-wheel drive capability make it suitable for tough terrain, while features like electric power steering, a digital gauge, and a steel rack for storage enhance its practicality and comfort. Safety features such as halogen headlights and an engine braking system further contribute to a controlled and enjoyable ride. And there you have it, the top 14 coolest quad bikes that are redefining off-road excitement. Which quad bike left you speechless? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this adrenaline-fueled showcase, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more thrilling content. Stay tuned for our next off-road adventure here at The Visuals Tech. Until then, keep exploring, keep riding, and keep chasing the thrill of the great outdoors.